Hey everyone, it's Weller here. Today I'll show how to fix poor Discord stream quality. Let's say I'm in a conference. First, let's check if your stream settings are correct. I'll click Share Screen. Say I want to share a device's screen. Here. Here we can select Screen Share. Better quality but lower FPS. For higher FPS, get Discord Nitro. You can also choose custom settings. Set it to 720p and 30 FPS here, or use screen share for quality, but it might lag. Here, now let's go to settings. Here's sound and video. Scroll down, make sure it matches mine. In video, we need to disable some things. Turn these off to improve stream quality. Also, disable network-hungry processes. Click Network and turn off everything here. Check your internet speed and update Windows. Search for Update to do this. Now check for updates. That's all, folks. This has been Weller. See you later.